Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to download video from XApp or Twitter. This method works great on iPhone and Android. Watch. Find the video you want and click on the three dots next to it. Or you click on the button, Share, and click on Copy Link. We copied the link to our video. Then we can exit the application. And now we go to the browser. I go to Safari, and in the search you will need to find a site called twitter.com. Just type in that word. Now in this line you paste the link, and you click download. Next, select the video quality, and download. After that, you wait a couple seconds. You see our video, which you just downloaded, and click download video. Close it. Allow the device to download this file. Now we can go to our downloads, and we see our video among this list. Click on it. Now to add it to the gallery, click on Share, and click on Save Video. Now we can exit here, and open our gallery. Go through, open the album. As you can see, the video downloaded to our device without any problems. As you can see, this is a very easy and fast way. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye.